Imagine holding something so small. You can't even see it, a single particle. Now imagine splitting it the wrong way. Sounds impossible, right? But when humans learned how to split particles, we unlocked insane amounts of energy. Let me show you how crazy this really is. Inside every atom is energy, locked in tight. When scientists split certain particles, like atoms, that energy doesn't leak out, it explodes out. Here's a real example. Splitting just one uranium atom releases about 200 million electron volts of energy. That number means nothing yet. So let me translate. That tiny split releases millions of times more energy than a chemical reaction, like fire or explosions. Now, scale that up. When the nuclear bomb exploded in Hiroshima, it didn't use a lot of material. It used less than 1 kilogram of uranium, and that small amount released energy equal to 15,000 tons of TNT. One city, gone in seconds. That's what happens when particle splitting is uncontrolled. But here's where it gets creepy. If the split happens in a chain reaction, one split causes another, then millions more. The energy multiplies faster than humans can stop it. That's why scientists say splitting particles is like holding a God-level switch. Used carefully, we get electricity that powers entire cities. Used wrong, you get heat hotter than the surface of the sun, over 100 million degrees. And it doesn't stop there. Some particles don't behave normally when forced apart. They become unstable. They release radiation, invisible energy that can damage cells, DNA, even years later. So when you ask, what happens if you split a particle wrong? The answer is simple and terrifying. You don't just release energy. You release more power than your brain expects from something so small. And the scariest part, we're still learning, still testing, still pushing particles to their limits, and one wrong split can change everything.